Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the domain in Shopify. So if you want to learn how it's done in this video, is free. Let's start. So let's first view our store, and in here we should be able to see your domain. So as for now, my domain is the myshopify.com domain as well. So if you want to change it into a personalized domain of yours, you can head over to your Shopify dashboard. Now click on the settings right here, and then scroll down until you reach the domains. Once you're on your domain, you can click on disconnect existing domain if you already bought something, or you can also click on this buy new domain right here. Now, just put in here the domain that you want to add. Like for example, let's put in here tiara22.com, and it will check if this domain is available. If it's not available, you can also see other results, like for example, this .ph, .net, .org, .store, .shop. So just head over and then choose the domain that you want, and then from in here, click on this buy domain. And then once you have added that, just open your billing settings and make sure to choose auto renew on or off, add your contact information, and after that, click on buy domain right here in order to change the domain for your Shopify store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.